What is up, guys? We are back with another video. This one's gonna be a little different. We are actually heading over to Chad's. He has the 79 and it's going back in the shop. We're gonna go, I don't know if we're gonna push it in or we're gonna pull it in with one of the trucks, but we're gonna get it in the shop tonight. And hopefully here shortly it will be running again. But yeah, I'm gonna get over there as quick as I can because we're running out of daylight and I want some footage of it. And yeah, so I will catch you guys over there. So stay tuned for this awesome video and I will see you guys shortly. Alrighty guys, well, it's in the shop. We used my truck to basically wedge it out from where I was sitting and then use my truck bumper and this bumper and just shoved it in here. So I mean, as you can tell, it's lifted already. Chad's got some motor work he's still got to do to it. Parts are on the bench there. Motor's in it, just all tarped up. But we were just talking about ideas for it. I'm definitely going to redo this back rack. Get rid of some of that mesh and actually be able to use a sliding window. Because right now, if you look through it, you really can't use it. So, got parts in here. It's a mess. But hopefully here shortly, it'll be a completely different truck from the looks of it. Underneath, I'm definitely going to probably pull the bed off of it and coat the frame, make everything nice, shiny black, and just make sure we don't have any holes, because I know one of these, this bracket here we need to replace. There's a hole in it. You guys probably can't see that. But as far as that stuff goes, I'm just going to get it running and driving, and hopefully it will stop and I'll be able to drive it and get some more videos on it as we change it up a bit. Not a super long video, but I just want to give you guys an update on it because a lot of you guys have been asking about it. So there you go. We were talking about leaving it like the patina look and just kind of weathering up some other stuff for it, like putting a decal on the side and just making it look like an old shop truck. But we'll decide when that time comes. So that'd be a pretty cool idea. And then if I eventually want to switch everything over and paint it, I already have the front fenders for it. I want to switch doors over eventually and just make it look killer. But I got to get Chad paid for the wheels yet, and then hopefully we can get everything mounted up. And then the next video you guys will be able to see it with the wheels on it. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'll see you in the next one.
Brian Little.
Japan.